The PNP says celebrities and well-off people are also targets of the anti-illegal drugs drive. Southern Police District Acting Director Senior Superintendent Tomas Apolinario said the PNP's anti-drug operations also aims to curb the prevalence of party drugs such as ecstasy. Recall the 5 fatalities at the Close Up Forever summer concert in Pasay City last May 21 used ecstasy and alcohol. With the incident, Apolinario said party and concert organizers are now coordinating with the police to ensure that their events will not be used as a venue for the illegal drug trade, as these are usually attended by wealthy youth and celebrities.
Anti-illegal drugs, nag-coordinate na dyan sa mga clubs na yan at meron silang special security pass na papakita lang doon sa mga bouncer. Pwede silang pumasok to observe, maki-CR lang because minsan sa CR ang alam natin, mga pasahan ng ganyan. So, maganda naman kasi nagko-cooperate sila. Kasama na rin doon sa security plan namin yung papayag dapat sila, lalo na kung malalaking crowd o concerts, na meron kaming mga elevated platform na merong sniper dalawa sa harap. Although yung barrel na long sniper is nakatago sa bag, pero they should allow that kasi yun nga, nangyayari sa abroad, di ba? Wala naman nangyayari dito. I'm sure it will not happen, I hope. Pero ina-anticipate na natin.
Hi, ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.